So, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, or whatever day it is. Welcome to my first how to draw video. And today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw one of my originals, Parrot. So, when it comes to Parrot, he's such a really he's the main mascot of Torix Originals. He's lovable, kind, and likes making new friends. So, to start off is the beak. So, draw a smiley face and then go all around. Make a curve and then just go all around. That will represent his beak. That's why I always start off with when I'm drawing Parrot, and then do a circle. Oh, it looks like I made a little mistake. Just erase that. There we go. Now that looks like a perfect circle. Well, not perfect, but still better. Okay, now just add a little red crescent shape for the back part of his head. And just draw three times for the top, for the hair. And Parrot has oval eyes. So draw those and make these cursive lines for the eyes, for the eye pupils. And just shade them out. And as for his body, it's like short little rectangles, so a little rounded rectangle to be exact. And as for his wings, so I'm going straight and then 3 bumps. And draw another one on this side. And last but not least, his feet. So yeah, that's how you draw a Parrot. Pretty easy to draw, right? So, this is really one of the best this was probably one of the best video series I've never thought of. So yeah, I'm looking forward to more how to draw videos soon. I hope you really enjoyed the tutorial on how to draw a Parrot, the main mascot of Torix Originals. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Jesus pieces, everyone.